I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the basics set, now start building. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus button to create a new shortcut, name it for what it will do. Next, tap Add Action and use the search bar, type a verb like open, get, or run to find actions quickly. You're choosing building blocks here, so pick one core action to anchor the flow. Once done, arrange that action at the top so subsequent steps follow logically and remain easy to edit. Now you'll connect the pieces. Add more actions by searching or tapping suggestions, then drag to reorder so outputs feed the next step. That's how data moves. Use if and repeat to add conditions and loops. Set variables to keep values between actions. Tap play to test a section, observe results, and adjust any action parameters. Make sure to use descriptive names for variables and inputs because clear labels prevent errors when your shortcut grows. Finish by adding a trigger, run shortcut, home screen icon, or a Siri phrase so you can launch it easily. Then test the full shortcut end-to-end, use quick look or show result actions to inspect outputs as it runs. If something breaks, isolate the problematic action, simplify its inputs, and rerun that segment. One key troubleshooting tip: if permissions stop actions, open settings, grant shortcuts access, then rerun. Permissions are the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.